All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how to multiply and divide fractions in mixed numbers. When you multiply and divide fractions, you do not need a common denominator. You only need a common denominator when you're adding and subtracting fractions. And another kind of cool trick is when you're multiplying fractions and you're looking at the diagonals, if you can divide the numbers that fall diagonally by a common factor, you can simplify them and make your multiplication a lot easier. For example, I can divide 4 and 8. I can divide both those numbers by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. 5 and 10. I can divide both of those numbers by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now I'm just going to multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. The answer is 1/4. This is division, and I always rewrite these as 2/5 divided by 12 over 1. When you divide, you keep your first fraction the same, you change your division to multiplication, and you take the reciprocal of your second fraction, meaning you switch the denominator with the numerator. Now remember that multiplying trick, it only works with multiplication. If you're looking at the diagonals and you can simplify them by dividing by a common factor, go ahead and do that. I can divide both these numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The answer here is 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 6 is 30. The answer is 1/30. All right, going to a problem like this, I'd always rewrite it first. 2/3 divided by 7/9. Then remember, you keep the first fraction the same, you change your division to multiplication, and you take the reciprocal of your second fraction. Then you check to see if you can simplify anything because it's a multiplication sign. So 2 and 7, those are all set, but 3 and 9 I can definitely simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and my answer here would be 6/7. When you have a mixed number, please make it into an improper fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is really 13 over 3 times 12 over 13. I can simplify this because 13 I can divide by 13, and 13 I can divide by 13. 12 I can divide by 3, and 3 I can divide by 3. So my answer here is really 4 over 1, or just 4. All right, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any questions.